is our first attempt, an opportunity to get honey out of our hive. This has been one of the more aggressive hives.
Probably shouldn't be standing here.
All right.
Just in the front.
I was hoping to be able to pick up those boxes, but it's getting heavy or it's really stuck.
Oh.
Didn't need to do that, these. That.
They don't seem too happy. The ones flying around.
They don't.
Mm-mm.
Come on apart. This is the one that felt like it had so much honey in it. The last time I was in here, anyhow. This one does not. I don't think they like the darker wax. It doesn't look like I'm going to get honey this time. I don't know if they're feeding on all of it.
When you move that one, I saw some bees like their heads were down in there, like maybe they were feeding on it. I don't know.
I don't either, hon.
Okay.
Are they coming to say hello?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this is cat brood. That's good.
See, like, all that.
That burr comb.
No, just what they're doing.
Oh, they're fanning.
I don't know. I can't really
With
see.
their head down in there.
Yeah.
Well, that's good to see cat brood in there. few days after we were in the hives on the video, we had a whole lot of uncapped honey, and there was quite a bit like that. So being beginners, we put that back in there, and then after I talked to the lady that has taught me the most, we took it out because of room for brood. And the reason the brood are up is because we haven't used a queen excluder. I'm not sure why some do and some don't. I think I'm going to rethink that because I really don't like disturbing boxes that I don't have to. So anyhow, we've got some frames in here now. We're going to do some spinning, and we're going to get some of our first honey harvest. So,
Finally.
Yeah. Leaving anything out?
I don't think so.
We'll crank away.
Yeah.
And here's what we get. Whoa. Now it's got to filter through. And while it does that,
What are you getting?
honey for my biscuit.
Oh.
Home honey, homemade biscuit. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy some of this honey harvest on a homemade biscuit. And it's just nice to get a harvest, our first harvest of honey. So we will catch you later. Be a blessing in somebody's life if you can. And we will see you.